The ViMS suite integrates video intercoms, loudspeakers, and other VoIP-based devices, ensuring two-way communication between operators and security equipment. The ViMS VoIP module can be used to manage two-way calls, with the option of forwarding communications to other operators and transmitting contextual messages via audio speakers. ViMS also allows to manage the gates connected to the video intercoms, and use their integrated cameras as an actual video surveillance device. Thus, in the event of an intrusion, ViMS allows to apply deterrence measures, such as transmitting messages in real time across the site. The centralized management of cross-site communications via ViMS improves coordination between units and ensures more effective control of sensitive areas, by leveraging synergies with other security devices. Learn more on our website.